Theodora and I'm painting with ZenART. And today I'm going to show you how I made this garden flowers using oil paints. This photo that I used for this painting, I found it on Pinterest, although there are a few other sites I could suggest that provide images that are royalty free, such as Shutterstock or Unsplash, or perhaps if taking pictures of flowers or nature is your thing, maybe you could use one of your own images as reference. Got a Theodora palette. I'm quite fond of Theodora palettes because I don't have to clean them afterwards and because they maintain the colors longer. And on the palette I've laid the colors that we are going to use for the flowers. That's the titanium white, the cadmium yellow, the yellow ochre, the golden ochre, the light incarnate, that's the violet gold backclair, that's the cadmium yellow, that's the olive green, phthalo green, that's the burnt amber, and a little bit of Mars black. And I'm going to start by mixing the incarnate light with a little bit of titanium white for the petals, with the number 2 spatula from ZenART. And we're going to add a bit more. I usually mix my colors like this gradually, starting from the darkest to the lightest and into the lightest color. And that what helps me a lot with my tones. And I'm also gonna mix the incarnate light with a bit of this cobalt violet. For the darkest parts of the petals. I need this nice purplish color. And we're gonna mix a bit the darker shade. Here. For the petals. Now we're going to mix our greens. I have this phthalo green here, and we are going to mix it with the cadmium. Yes. And we're going to mix a bit more with the one that we've already mixed. This is our mid-tone. And I'm going to add a little yellow. And a little bit more. That's nice. And I'm also going to mix one of this olive green, bit of it, with this golden ochre. And with the yellow ochre. And with white, titanium white. And here are some colors that we are going to use. To paint and with oils, you're also gonna need turps or white spirit. That's the jar I'm using, is from Tiger. and it prevents the liquid from spilling if you have an accident, so they're pretty good. And here I have some lightened oil. The white spirit is quite useful for cleaning up your brushes or mistakes you've made in the process. And lighted oil helps you with the flow of the color. So as you can see, I am starting by laying down the details and basic colors of the flowers. You can start by making a little sketch to figure out where you want your flowers to be, or you can start painting directly on canvas if you feel confident enough. For this painting, I'm using ZenART's miniature brushes that are perfect for small details and fine lines. In case you were wondering what is the stick I am holding, it's called my whole stick and it's used primarily with oil paint and helps you maintain a stable hand. Now I'm mixing some yellow with my green to add some light details to the pedestal, and then I'm mixing a little black with my green to add volume. For the next step, I am adding light pink to the petals for some highlights, then some dark purple for contrast, and brown dots over the yellow ochre I previously used for the disc florets. Moving on, I'm adding a few finishing touches such as purple magenta to the petals near the disc florets for volume, and some white for extra highlight. This is the painting that we made today. I hope you have enjoyed watching. I hope you find this tutorial nice and easy, and I do hope you give it a try. And if you did like the video, don't forget to follow me, Theodora, and ZenART. Thank you for watching.